Now, Africa continues to grapple with a heavy cancer burden. In Kenya alone, 5 people are diagnosed with the disease every hour, according to the National Cancer Institute of Kenya. Now, many of these cases are detected late, which limits treatment options and lowers survival chances. But a digital health platform known as Empower is helping health authorities track screening data and guide patients from diagnosis to treatment. Roche hosted journalists in Nairobi for this year's Africa Press Day, where Joy News' editor, Emefa Atiamwa Eli, reports.
2026 Roche Africa Press Day is focusing on what it calls health is wealth, not cost. And that too for women. Breast cancer among women. Here in Kenya, in addition to the call for early screening and diagnosis, health experts are also calling on African governments to prioritize policies that will make access to cancer treatment less burdensome on patients and families. It is said, women are the economic backbone of every country. Ignore the woman's health and the whole community, the whole society, and all of the country suffers.
Late detection of breast and cervical cancer continues to claim the lives of many women, mothers, and young girls across the African continent. In Kenya, data from the National Cancer Institute shows the country records about 44,700 new cases every year. That translates to about 122 diagnoses every day, or roughly 5 new cases every hour. Health officials say the mortality figures are alarming, with nearly 80 cancer-related deaths recorded daily across the country. Emily Dasito of the National Cancer Institute of Kenya explains.
Yes, Nairobi has this huge burden of cancer because of 2 major reasons. We find that previously, cancer care was not really as devolved to other counties. And so even those with suspicious cases in other counties would come to Nairobi for treatment. Yes. This is because we have the largest facilities, that is the level 6 facilities in the country, Kenyatta National Hospital and Kenyatta University Teaching and Research and Referral Hospital. They are both based in Nairobi. And the major private facilities are also in Nairobi that were handling cancer care.
Mbagati County Hospital is among a number of health facilities implementing a digital platform designed to help detect cancer threats among women. During a field visit to the facility on Africa Press Day, journalists, policymakers, and health experts were taken through the operations of the system, where hospital managers described the introduction of the Empower initiative as a major step toward addressing gaps in early cancer detection. The Empower program is a multi-stakeholder collaboration between Roche on one side and the National Cancer Institute of Kenya, county governments, and other health partners on the other side. It integrates cancer screening into existing services, including maternal and child health clinics. Jacqueline Wambua is the general manager for Roche East Africa.
What is happening is that women are showing up early to the clinics. But the health system is failing them because the breast and cervical cancer is not understood, especially when you talk about the clinics in the communities, the tertiary hospitals, and the national hospitals is where treatment is happening. So the first thing would be the preventive aspects. We need to look at the preventive and promotive aspects of the disease. Can women get screening early? Can women get diagnosis early? Can we also have health-seeking behaviors that can change some of these diseases for us?
The Empower initiative was introduced after research revealed that some patients consult as many as 8 to 10 healthcare providers before receiving a cancer diagnosis. These delays often prevent patients from accessing timely treatment. In commemoration of this year's International Women's Day, Roche and its partners are spotlighting the alarming threats cancer poses to women's health, with a call to rethink health as wealth instead of cost and prioritize investments in treatments. My name is Amofa Ewenam Atiamwa Eli, reporting for Joy News from Nairobi.